yours. Your enjoyment, your experiences, your talent that you have shown, that you will be shown today, makes this celebration so special. And this celebration is organized, stipulated by Republic Act 10661, which ensures that all Filipino children have access to quality education, healthy environment, and adequate health care. So, as we are united for today's event, let us take a moment to reflect that the importance of play in the development of our children is not just only a fun. Hindi lang nagpalipay, but it is a powerful tool for learning, creativity, and growth. It teaches also teamwork, problem solving, resilience, and the joy of discovery. Discovering the inner talent of each one of us. Of course, we are all thrilled to see the excitement in the air today. The activities that will be shown, the games that are initiated and well planned by the teachers will give us more enjoyable experiences. Again, my salute to the teachers for their effort in having this activity. Grabe ang ilang preparations dami. Murag makawayan ng sa area and spaces where to have their practice. And of course, initiative or to find ways on how to give much more exciting